helps you make cross-border payments. Human gives you global specialists. Digital allows you to apply for a loan anytime, anywhere. Human connects you to credit experts. Digital puts you in control of your money, while Human connects you to wealth advisors. Digital allows you to freeze, unfreeze, cancel, and reorder your card. Human gives you that personal touch. Digital when you want it. Human when you need it. Get the complete private banking experience with Nedbank Private Clients.
All right, welcome back. You're watching Business Watch. As mentioned earlier today, we are talking about property insurance with Mcebo Masugu, who is an insurance specialist at Nedbank. What is property insurance and what does it cover? He will also answer questions such as what is an insurance excess and how does one make a claim and how long does it take for it to be processed. Mcebo, welcome to Business Watch. Thank you for joining us. Namhla property insurance, as mentioned. What is insurance and what is a property insurance as well?
Yes, thank you, Lulu, for having us. Afternoon to the viewers. I think let's start with defining what's insurance. Insurance, in a very simple term, it's a financial instrument that acts as a safety net. Should a business or an individual suffer losses, it is there to help out in terms of cutting those costs in repairing, whether it's a house, if we property insurance like we're talking to today, if we motor, it's there to assist you should you be in an accident. Excuse me.
All right, so I have suffered a loss. Perhaps there was a storm or there was an accident. Does Nedbank cover that? Does my insurance, property insurance, cover that?
Yes, Nedbank offers insurance to my clients too. Whether you loan corner namagude, as long as you have that property, we're able to assist you. So, property insurance, cover fire. Should it happen, good to know due to whatever the reason is, which would be always investigated. But cover type of damages, including more hailstorm, as you can see these days. Could see whether you to say ashinja. That is also included. Pesting pipes, they're also included in there. The accidental damages, should you have someone who's at Jubejani, that is also covered by property insurance.
But there's a process again, nothing for a claim, and you know I've heard some people complain. Go to now go claim for now go lodge a complaint, and now go lodge a claim. Go on a process lens. Sometimes we say go bang why does it take so long? Take us through the process and you go to after you lodge that claim.
Yes. Okay. First things first. If now go Celian in Japepuk, I always say take pictures because my pictures will allow a lawyer insurer to okay na ile damage. Ungemi kuze konakala even more or uzulungise. And then contact your insurer as soon as possible. Okay, gonna claim and then also that insurer or your broker or an agent nothing just silbang uyasinza succeed kugcwalisa form kukusitana ukuthi yini kuchazela ukuthi yini ledzingekako nani. But normally the pictures, also completing the forms on time, and then also in terms of lokulungisa lendlu, make sure mawene ma quotations adzingeka ufake material yakho ne labor yakho. Uma ngabe nje khona lo muntu lo takulungisela kufuneka kwendele leyo quotation akubhalele phasi ke those type of invoices or whatever if it's labor. Yes, and then in terms of the process itself, my claims it differs ke depending on the timing ngoba uma ngabe nje kwenteke sehlakalo like boma hailstorm or wind or those type of storms that just happened recently kubuta banale influx. So siyacela nje ukuthi nisibeketelele when times like that happen, but normally
influx now nje.
Nyalo nje
Okay.
definitely there is an influx. Luckily vele bakhona abantu abakhavekile, so batawusidakala. But ngicela nje ukuthi sikwende as early as possible ukusi-notify. Asifuni ukukhanza ukuthi so semuvela yini because kudawo kudinga ukuthi ube nebantu labatawo appointa insure ukuthi bayobuka le damage so that ito adjustwa kahle leyo quotation if need be ngoba phela kufuneka kubuka ukuthi okay le damage isafakishe kuphi yendeke kuphi and is it part of the policy, which is normal procedure noma ngaya kuphi, because kufuneka avoid ema fraudulent claims. Phela ungatendela nawe ema damages ukuthi ufuna kudla umshwalense, which kulicala lelikhulu lelo, they can take it up against you. So ngicela avoid lokho. But again, ultimately, the appointable assessor who come and take a look at the damages, babuke nalama quotations and talk to the abantu lo tabe bakulungisela to make sure ukuthi vele kulungiswa kahle kude overstate ema prices akhe.
Okay, so speaking of fraud, have you had cases, such cases nje ukuthi mhlambe senende investigations not follow ukuthi no lo mflo navela kalinyalelwa ugangile noma kusete kwanyalo?
Yes, kwanyalo kusete, but I wouldn't say ukuthi they don't happen in the market. Maybe they do, maybe they don't, but it's twice on the same ukuthi please make sure ukuthi i-claim yakho ma uyifaka because there's a legitimate damage. But Tina will always look at le kuti vele, is it part of the policy or not? But talk to lo muntu lokusitile.
Okay, so how long do they have to lodge a claim from the time of the incident?
Yes, different insurers have different days, but labanye benda 14 days. So within 14 days of the incident, labanye benda about 30 days. Kitike gubang 14 days in Nedbank. So just make sure you come to us as soon as possible. Just
So,
even
okay.
a mere just notification to say I have a claim.
Yeah. So how much does it cost? Kahle kahle ngifuna cover mhlawumbe indlu yami, ngifuna cover imoto yami. Kungibita malini nje, how much do I pay per month?
Yes, it varies. It depends on multiple factors. But the biggest thing when it comes to property finance, gubang level yalendlu. So kumathathu tidland nje tindlu latakhiwe lapho, but awudzinga evaluation. Valuation will come with an insurance value. The insurance value would represent how much it would cost for you should you lose the entire building or property, because it will bring back to where you were. So that's the value that is then used as an insurance value. And then bese bayibala from that. So obviously if value yakhe you pay higher premiums. If it's a pass, you pay lower ones. But generally, property insurance is way cheaper than car insurance. So may I advise, especially looking at the weather patterns, would be everyone should have a property insurance, especially if you have built yourself a nice, beautiful house. You will need that help should something big happen.
Okay, so do people that own homes on Swazi Nation land benefit from the property insurance at Nedbank?
Yes, luckily, product ekanjalo ikhona. As a corporate agent, siyakhona kusita ama clients ukuthi akhaveke le makhaya. Gona ke makhaya, the only thing we need is an evaluation report. You just need to take pictures of the property, including market, the fences, the structure itself, the building. And then also usitshele ukuthi wena officer we cover ngamalini, so we nominate le value yakho. The value that you nominate will act as a limit, so meaning if sekutawa nemlilo and just like destroy the whole building, the structure of the building, it will limit ngale nominated value yakho.
Yeah. Yes. Ngifakile insurance ngiqalele kubhadala perhaps ngibhadala about 3-4 months. Sekwendeka mhlambe ingodi umlilo noma storm.
Yes.
Can I still claim?
Oh, definitely. In fact, as soon as your policy is confirmed and you've made that payment in terms of your premiums, you can claim anytime, as long as your incident is within your policy period, which will be noted on your policy document.
Okay, so what tips do you have or important information that you would like to share with our viewers? The importance of reading policy documents before signing you go through the policy
Yes, I think that's a very important one. I always say ukuthi lo muntu lokusitako, try to ask as many questions as possible. You find that at times bantu bagijima kuyothola insurance, or they're doing insurance for a loan reason or whatever. So ne loans ofuna ukuthola insurance and they don't ask the critical questions, and ukhanza ukuthi sebana insurance but they don't understand it. So ask as many questions as you can kulo muntu lokusitako, and always read your policy document. It happens so many times ukuthi my client iswanikete ema documents bangawafunzi, and then come claim stage sengikhanyisa siphinde kufuneka sichaze sekuyakhala yabo, because highlight manje mafika kimi I'll highlight you ukuthi okay naku kufuneka ubuke, but ultimately the terms and conditions are in your policy document. You need to go through it and understand it.
All right, kokugcina nje Mcebo sifuna ukuva ukuthi i-clients zitakala kanjani if bafuna kutakini to sign up ukuthi nje nitfolakala kuphi, what are your contact details?
Yes, Nedbank inema branch lamanengi eSwatini. Mina I'm based Lambabane head office, but I do visit the branch in Netfu. But we do have a master's consultant in my branch in Netfu. Talk to them; they will assist you in terms of getting your quotations done, having a look at what you can cover yourself. And also, you can always email us at our helpdesk helpdesk@nedbank.co.sz, or ushayele 2378 1999. Ultimately, of course, ikona na bo Facebook, bo Twitter, na LinkedIn. Just search for Nedbank Eswatini, hit subscribe or follow, and always interact with us. We appreciate my engagement from clients.
Yeah. And of course, you have to have the proper documents, ID, NAN9.
Yes. So what would always keep in mind in terms of kuti yini lofuna kuyicover. My insurances gashiyana ke ukuthi zingeka into on board. But when it comes to property insurance, if indlu yakho it's on title deed land, it doubts an evaluation report. But if a loan gets valid by default, an valuation report is required. And then you give us your ID, my form, and then you'll be it. Oh. And then also in terms of my premiums, seeing Nedbank, we finance my premiums if need be. And then also we do assist in terms of just lay your advice. It's okay, in long you end to protect yourself, and then also at renewal stage, we will advise you it's okay now a renewal you need to make payments. And one thing I also need to mention, premium payments are very important. Insurance, it's in no claim, it will be paid without premium payment, because you have to pay for the service. You will cover insurance.
All right, thanks so much, Mboso. Thank you for that information. My clients in Usagavile, if you want to sign up for property insurance at Nedbank, do contact them by social media as well as email. Let's take a break.